Billions of people are going online every single day to search for information, and every business that needs customers must be on Google. The question is your business well positioned on Google? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Emmanuel and I'm excited to have you back. Today I'm going to be showing us how to get plenty of customers from Google. Google has a platform called Google Business. And if your business is not there, you are missing a lot. Are you new to the channel? Go ahead and subscribe. Remember to like and share the video. Now let's get started. Google Business is a massive platform formerly known as Google My Business, where businesses all over the world can showcase their products and services. It can also be called a local listing because it helps people within your area to locate your business on the map. There's a lot that can be done on Google Business. You can share your website. In fact, you can even create a website on the platform itself. People can get direction on the map to be able to locate your business. People can send messages to you, they can call you, and they can even review your business, thereby giving your business social proof. Now, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to use this platform to gather a lot of authentic quality customers to your business. All right, so let's get started. Number one is you need to create a profile on the platform. Of course, if you're not on the platform, how are you going to get the customers? When people go online and search, what will they see? For instance, if you go online now, if you are in the city of Abuja and you go online and you search digital skills training in Abuja, there's every likelihood that the business you see on number one on the list is Windave Digital Skills Academy. That is Google My Business or Google Business in action. So number one thing is that you need to create a profile on the platform, because if you don't have a profile on the platform, when people go online to search for things that are related to your business, they will not find you. So what are you waiting for? Create a profile is number one. After creating the profile, you need to optimize the profile. Optimize your profile. That means every single piece of information needed must be completed. Your profile must look professional. Your phone numbers, your service hours, your products, your services, your website, every information about your business must be included on the platform for your profile to be optimized. Because if you just register on the platform and leave it scanty, people will not take you serious. They will not see you as a serious business. All right. Remember to add photos about your business. If you have photos about what you do, showing what you do is very powerful to bring people to your business. So add all those information, optimize the profile, and make sure everything is in order. Number three is that you need to update. That is, ensure that your profile is constantly being updated. For instance, you had an event, you have pictures from the event, update your profile. For instance, your hours of business changes. Like now we are entering holiday season, the Christmas season. If there's a change in the hour you open, please ensure you constantly update your business. Of course, the next one, number four, is to ensure you offer value. I cannot overemphasize this one. Value is powerful. Why? If you offer value to a customer and the customer gets value from your business, the customer will come back. It's natural. It's common sense. They will not only come back, they will tell other people about your business. And what does that mean? More quality customers are coming to your business. As a business, we've had so many customers come to us from Google Business. And they did not just come. When they come to us and they get quality service, because we offer value, they go back and they bring other customers to us. So that is the power. All right. So make sure you offer value to your customers. Don't offer things that will make the customer interact with you only once and they run away. Make sure you give them value. Give them more than they pay you. If they paid you 100,000 naira for a product or service, Offer them a value that is worth 150,000. They will love you. They will stay with you. They will be loyal to you, and they will not want to go back. All right, that being said, that is offer value. Number 5 is request review. All right, request review from your customers so that people who have enjoyed your business will tell their stories. All right, let them tell people how they have enjoyed your product. It will help your social proof, because human beings, they are animals that, that love relationship. They love to connect with others. All right, they love to hear what others have said. So most people, before they buy any product, they want to check out, has anybody ever bought this product? Especially if it's not a click and buy kind of product. All right, you know what I mean by click and buy? Click and buy a product that you don't really think before buying them. 2,000, 1,500, just click and buy, But any product that requires that somebody will think, they want to find out. The people who have bought this product, has anybody even bought the product? If they have, what was their experience? So you want to give your customer a good experience that will elicit, that will propel them to write you a good review. All right? To write you a good review. Of course, you need that review for your business to continue to thrive. All right, so make sure you get that review. And once you get that review, number 6 is that you need to constantly share that review. The review will be on Google, or you can pick that review and share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, share it on WhatsApp, share it across on LinkedIn, across your social media handles. What will it do for you? It will help people know that, oh, people have interacted with your business and they are happy. It will draw them to your profile on Google. Yes, it will bring them to your profile on Google. Once they confirm that this review is real, it's not fictitious, it's not scam, it will make them to make up their mind. It will bring in new customers who will continue to interact with your business. So guys, I want to run through the list again. Number 1 is that you need to create a profile on the platform. If you are not there, you are not there. If you are not there, you are not there. All right? That means the billions of people who go online to search, if they search and they can't find you, they can't find you, and there's no way they can come to you. So you must create a profile, number 1. Number 2 is that the profile must be optimized. Optimized means that you must keep ensure that the right information is updated. You keep, you add the right information. Your hours of business, the description of your business, what do you do, the product, the services, your contact information, your website, every other information, your hours, everything, make sure is there. Then number 3 is that make sure it's updated. Some people treat their business like a village building, village house. When you build a house in the village, right? Some people travel to the village once in a year. No, your business should not be like village house. Your business should be updated constantly. That means anything that's happening, let the world know what's going on in your business. So constant updating. Number 4, I say offer them value. Offer them value. Don't bring people to your business. Make sure you offer them value. All right. Number 5, I say get customer review. Get them to write you review. And finally, number 6, I say share that review to other social media handles, thereby bringing more traffic to your profile. So guys, this is how to get quality clients, businesses, people to pay you huge amount of money on Google Business. If you implement what I've just shown you, you will get, you have a testimony. You'll come back and write me a review and say, wow, that video actually nailed it. All right, so this is what we're going to draw the curtain. You know what to do. You're here to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button now. Like and share the video. And of course, if you have any comments, any question, use the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. Is there any question? Is there anything you think I should do for you? Is there any video you want me to do for you? Please use the comment section, and I will make sure, I will try my best to respond to every comment. This is where we're going to draw the curtain. I will see you again in the next video.